Subliminals always work fast on me. I can afford any tuition fees because I am rich. My parents are rich permanently. Money comes to me easily. My wallet is overflowing of money. I have always healthy sleep schedule. I attend my classes daily. I am always in class on time. I have highest marks and grades in school effortlessly. I always feel motivated to do work. I complete any work quickly. I have naturally learning curiosity. I am always genuinely interested in every school work. I have amazing time management. I understand every concept in deeply. I can easily recall everything I learn. I guess correct answer every time. I have a IQ of 300. I rarely need to study for any topic because I know everything correct. I am the best student in our school. I am every teacher's favorite student. My work is always appreciated by teachers. I am pure genius at every subject. I am a human calculator. I can solve any mathematical question within seconds. I can memorize any desired topic effortlessly. Whenever I solve a question, it turns out to be correct every single time. I naturally know everything about my subject. My classmates appreciate me and help me. Every person in my school respects me and supports me. I am free from getting troubles. I have forever infinite good luck. I always have great opportunities. I get full out of full every time in exams and tests.